What's up, you guys? It's Sem here. Today we're going to be talking about Retrobright and how I was able to take these consoles from this to this. It's known that the plastics changed in the different revisions, so I provided the model numbers. Retrobright is a pretty simple process that I broke down into 6 steps. The first 2 steps is disassembling the console and cleaning the parts. The tools I use for disassembly changes per console, but the tools I use for cleaning pretty much stay the same. If you're interested in how to disassemble a particular console, I have covered quite a few of them. In an attempt to save the labels, I used Captain Tape, and I also tried another one with duct tape, both of which failed in the first 10 minutes. Next step is making the Retrobright. I used 1 cup of 3% hydrogen peroxide, 4 tablespoons of OxyClean, and 4 tablespoons of cornstarch. To apply the mixture, I simply put the parts in 1-gallon bags along with the solution. I then placed them in the sun for 8 hours. To remove the mixture, I simply cleaned them in a sink. Last step is simply putting the console back together. My final conclusion on Retrobright is that this roughly cost me $20 and about 10 hours of my time, and the results are far less than perfect. And I think in most cases, if you just spent $20 more on the console itself, you would have better results. Anyways, thanks for watching.